And now we'll learn a few new notes to incorporate in the G major scale. So we start on open G string. Now first finger on the G string, or A natural, or second finger on the G string, B natural, and then C natural, third finger on the G string, and then D natural, fourth finger on the G string. And those are your 4 new notes. Now let's pluck the G major scale, starting on open G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, when we're ascending or going up, we're using fourth finger. When we're descending or going down, we're using open strings. Open D. Let's try that now, Arco, starting on open G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now that you know how to play in G major, you can play a song called Can-Can. Let's start on open G. Remember, use long bows on the half notes and short bows on the quarter notes. And listen very carefully, because there's sections in G major that you'll be able to hear very clearly, especially when it's descending in the middle of the song. Here's Can-Can. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can try Can-Can Pizzicato. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can play in G major.